What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be swapping out these crusty headlights right here. I'm going to try and make this one short and sweet. We'll see how that goes. Quick update on the hand. The tear is healing somewhat okay, and this finger is most definitely broken. But hey, play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. If you did not see my first video with this, where I did this, go back and watch that one after this video. I'll put it in the end card so you can find it. Or if you want to pause this video, head over there now, and then I'll meet you back here. Anyway, let's go check out the new stuff. So these are the new headlight bulbs and turn signal bulbs. Let's open these guys up. Don't worry, all of this foam and plastic will be getting recycled at the Cincinnati Reduce and Reuse Hub. They are able to take and recycle a lot of things that most places won't, like plastics, plastic bags, styrofoam, that kind of thing. Pretty much everything that curbside recycling won't take, they will, so that's cool. So if you are interested in recycling in the greater Cincinnati area, I will leave the link to their website in the description. I think I'm gonna go ahead and load all the bulbs and stuff up now. And then it should just be as simple as removing the old ones and slapping these in. But we know nothing ever goes as easy as it should. So these Sealight bulbs are decent for on a budget. I typically like to go with the Farron brand. They're probably all the same. They probably all come from the same place, but I've been using those on the Corolla for years, and they work good, and they're cheap. This kit for a 2008 Chevy Silverado comes with two H11 bulbs and two 9005 bulbs. The 9005s are the high beam bulbs. They do have little cooling fans inside of them as well. And H11. Alright, let's move this party outside. Nice and warm. So I'm going to start by removing this cowl. You do have to remove this and your grill to get these out. There's just 8 of these guys. And all you do for those is pop this center piece up, and then you pop the rest of it up. And it should just come right out. And then from there, you just got these 4 10 millimeters right here. From there, we just got a few of these clips. There is 4 along the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 up top. 1 right there. 1 right there. While I got it off, I'm going to go ahead and touch up the paint on this emblem as well, because it could definitely use it. It's way too cold out here for painting, so I'm going to take it inside, warm it up, bring it out here just to shoot it, and then take it right back inside so it can dry in the warmth as well. And once you get to this point, for the headlight itself, we got 3 bolts, 1 right here, 1 right here. The other one, it's up inside of there. You don't have to take that one completely out. You just need to loosen it up a little bit because it is just for this little slotted bracket down here. Just loosen it up and then it can slide out. guy I saw do it went straight in that way. The gap right here was way bigger. That's not going to work for probably most people. Just go ahead and pull that off and go in that way. And then once you got these two bolts up top out, that one down here loose, it should just kind of slide out. Try to follow the curvature here. Oh, my headlight fluid's leaking again. And you just want to unplug your main harness here. If you are reusing your old bulbs, obviously you're going to want to pull those out now and swap them over, but we're using new bulbs, so we don't need those, but we do need this little wiring harness here. Now, I'm not sure if these are polarity sensitive or not. I'm judging by the markings. It's got all the information on one side and it has the branding on the other. So I'm just making sure I put them in the same way they came out. Alright, let's go try and fit them up. Before I get too far here, I want to check and make sure they even work. Low beams are on. Running lights are on. Turn signals are good. We're good to go. What I'm doing here is just kind of seating the bottom in first. Not all the way, obviously, just getting it started. That way the top can just kind of pop in like that. Then, should just push in. You just want to make sure that weird bolt down here is lining up. And these two prongs are supposed to go into those holes. As long as that's good, this should be good. Yep. Get that guy back in place. Like so. Y'all ready for the most satisfying part? Oh yeah. And then obviously just repeat the same process on the other side. Don't forget, with these clips, you have to have it pulled up like this to get it back in. So you push it in like this, and then push the middle part down. Also, do not forget to align them correctly. Using these screws right here, turning it one way will point the beam higher, the other way will point it lower. Please do not contribute to the stigma that LED bulbs blind people on the road. That makes no sense. What it is people not aligning them properly, blinding people on the road. now for the finishing touch. All I did with this was clean it, tape it, scuff it, spray it, let it dry. That's going to be it for this one. Let me know in the comments, do you guys like shorter videos, just kind of focusing on one thing at a time? Or do you like the longer videos like last one where I kind of cram a bunch of stuff into one video? Or do you like a longer video focusing on pretty much the entire process of just one thing? Or are you guys into the hour-long, do whatever, fill up the day kind of videos? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's plenty more where this came from. Please recycle, don't litter, and we'll see you next time. Peace.